Good evening. This is 3dsoftwarereviews.com, reviewed by me, Manny. And today, the very first review on this website will be a software that is called Cinema 4D. And their website, as soon as you get it, usually there's a demo version, and for my purposes I am using the demo version to show you what this software is and what I think about it. So you have this information screen, tells you how much period expires. It says 42 days, so that's how long you have to use it for. And it has all the full functionality of the product until those 42 days are up. So then, if you first open up the software and come into the page, you have these, the beginning right here, the middle, where it has the workspace. Then you have the top, the toolbar, for all the different things you can use. On the left side, it's all the editability of like objects, faces, vertices, how to edit stuff. On the bottom right here is the animation toolbar, and on the right side is all the stuff that you can change with objects. Now if you're first going into the software, it is kind of similar to, say, Maya, or 3ds Max is a little bit different, but it has somewhat similarity and other software. So for a software for you to buy, if you have already like thought of, oh, I don't want to use Maya, I want to use something else, this Cinema 4D is a great choice. Right here you can have all these different objects, and you can say cube, cone, cylinder, sphere. So like you even have landscape. You click that and it makes a landscape for you already there. And you have these right here that have different segments, and you can change the sea level to go higher or back to where it was, or go below sea level, which is very non-destructive. This program is very non-destructive. If you've ever used Houdini, it has some of that similarity. And you can, the plateau level, you can rise it up or rise it down. And that's really a great feature. But to delete this, you would think, oh, the X button, but no, it's just the delete button on your keyboard. Now, I'm using the mouse regularly with the left mouse button click to click things. And on the keyboard, I'm using Alt, click down with the middle mouse button to move around here, and Alt left to go rotate. And there's a lot of functionality like that in Maya and other popular 3D software. But I'm focusing on Cinema 4D. And if you go into here and you get a cube, you can say you want to extrude a face, and you click and you go to let's see, there's coordinate object, phone, material, basic. Oh, you have to make it editable. This little guy right here, you click it, and then you can make it be able to edit it. See how you can change the size. And if you want to extrude it, you go right click, hold down, and then there's the extruder right here. Click it, then click in the middle, then well, you can do that to extrude it, but what I was trying to show is you can click here and then click again, and then you extrude, and see how you can extrude there, and then click the T shortcut key and you can scale it down the Y and X axis, and Z, not really, but you can select all of them and scale it that way. Also, if you click the right button mouse, you can actually scale, but it, oh, there you go, see, it does work. Delete. But if I were to say in a quick amount of words, would you buy this software? Now, I would say that if you're really an enthusiast and really want to experience a product that I say is a very good next to, say, Maya or 3ds Max, I would go for this software just because the way things are functioning, it works really well. You can have, there's a lot of buttons to use and a lot of features in here that are very non-destructive, which is great because when you make a mistake, I always have the problem where I'm modeling something and that always has a problem where I want to go back and I'm like, I have to undo the entire thing and I have to do it all from scratch again. Where this, you can select that in a cube and then, you know, move it up here, and then say you want to like add like an array system. You click this cube, select it over the array, and then voila. And then you go here in the coordinates, and you're like, oh, you go to click array, and then you go to the coordinates right here, to the object, and you go to radius, and then there you got it here. And then if you want to render it, you just go click here, render view, and there you go. But if I were to make it have a little bit more nicer, I'd probably want to click that and then go render again, render view, and then there we go. It's a very basic shape. But see right here, I can go right here in the array and I can do this to it without having to duplicate it thing all the way around. Now Maya does the same thing, but I'm just saying it's another software, and you're thinking I want to change from Maya to Cinema 4D, I would highly suggest to buy this product and just, you know, try it out in the demo. But if you really want to go all out, you want to buy the product because it's a great product to have. If you're working a job or a student, you want to buy this product so you can get ahead in the industry. I think you should, because a lot of people are using this and it has great results. And I will put in an image of something that I did create with Cinema 4D, and if you think it's something that looks realistic enough to you, I think you should go and at least try this software out, demo it, and decide to go buy it if you do so. But for my final say, I say go buy it. I say go to their go to Cinema 4D, go to their website, and check it out. And I would say give it a whirl. So in conclusion, I say yes, I would buy this product. And with that, I leave you with a little image that I will post on my website. And thanks a lot. And have a great day.